This is Witt with Agri Spray Drones, and today we're here at Agri Spray headquarters with our new Witt trailer, and we're going to take a look at the new AutoMixer version 4 and a mixing station. So come take a look at it. So the AutoMixer V4 is actually the successor of version 3. It runs here in this platform, which is the mixing station or the mixer caddy, right? So the AutoMixer is on the other corner there. We're going to take a look at it soon. And here you can already see a little bit of the mixing station. You have this hose reel for quick, easy fill up of your drone. You can use the kind of easy dispenser there to fill it quickly. This will fill your drone in about 30 seconds, a bit less. And you have your product tanks. This is clean water. And here you have 4 product tanks. So they're with the products you're going to spray in the field, right? You have your interface. So you have this touch screen here. This mixer actually is soon to have a web app or a remote option that you can use to run it as well. And that's a novelty of the version 4. We're going to talk about it later. But here's your interface in your app where you can start your operations and run your operations from here. It has a long cable, 15-foot long, so you can take it around the trailer if you need. So you're operating up there in the new Witt trailer. You can take that with you or wire it through and have it up there so you can monitor your pumping operations from upstairs without having to look at it. So let's talk about what the mixing station and AutoMixer really are. And let's come take a look at the new mixer here. On the outside, it doesn't look much different. But it has been redone. You still have the 6 pumps, right? 3 small pumps. They have been changed. They now have easy maintenance. It's easy to open and change the peristaltic hose inside. They're all peristaltic pumps, which means they have a hose that runs inside. It's squeezed by a rotor, right? It means it's easy maintenance. You can open this with the tool or with your hands and really easy in 2 minutes change the hose inside. So you have 3 pumps. These are 1/3 of a gallon per minute. These are 1.8 gallon per minute pumps. These first 2 run together for your carrier in this setup. The setup can be changed, but right now they run together to pump your carrier, be that water or something else. What does the AutoMixer indeed does though? So, right, let's talk about it. The AutoMixer is a turnkey solution for any spraying operations with drones. So you want to spray in the field, you want to go there and do your spraying operations, you always have to do your hot batch to mix your products. The AutoMixer solves that for you. It does that for you in a safe manner, reduces your contact with the products, right? So, and also like just streamlines it for you. So it's sort of a fire and forget strategy where you fuel up the product tanks and you start the mixer, you program it with your products you're going to use today. You can put your recipe in, put your fields and all other characteristics of your operation today, and it will run the blending operation for you. And it does a continuous blend. It's not a batch, it's more of a blend because it pumps and fills this tank up till the height of the level sensor. This is the mixing tank, right? Once it touches the level sensor there, triggers it, it will stop at 30 gallons, right? And it will keep it filled up to 30 gallons as long as you're using it. Once you use some of the fluid down there, you take that dispenser and fill up your drone. It's going to refill immediately. So it starts and pumps again and keeps it filled up. It keeps track, you can configure that, of your whole mission. So let's say you're pumping 1,000 gallons today. It knows you're pumping 1,000 gallons. So when it finishes pumping 1,000 gallons, even if it didn't touch the level sensor yet, it stops so that you can save product as well. That's another characteristic of it. And so you can now pump in a safer manner. You can save product. It works better. It's precise. So it's going to keep pumping at with high precision. It's different than pouring with your own jugs in there, right? You pour it here and it will keep track of how much it pumped. It can even build you reports and even export them to PDF in a future version of software. Right now it exports in a spreadsheet style. It can make reports in PDF for you. And it makes it easy for you to report on what you've been using, which products, when, what was the operator involved, what was the field, and much more. So what are the main differences here on this AutoMixer right now and the V3, right? This has been upgraded. It looks similar on the outside, operations very similar, but the software has been redone. It's now prepared for expansion. And so this unit, as it is down there, it is prepared now to receive serial communication. So it talks with the pumps in a different manner. It can even get new pump modules, so you can further expand the system in the future. So we're working on launching further products that you can use with this system. Calibration has been made easier. It also pumps 30% more than the last version and in a more reliable manner. Now many parts in it are IP rated, so all the connectors are aviation grade, IP rated to resist any situation in the field. The pumps are IP54 rated, the motors inside too. Power supply is also IP rated. It's all protected and built better and with a better improved design compared to the last version. It's more reliable, works better. The pumps now can also be quickly switched. So if you have a problem on a pump, you need to switch it. It takes 3 bolts on the small pumps, 4 bolts on the big pump. You can take it out, plug in the new one, plug and play, it just works right away. In case there's maintenance needs. on the outside also easy to change the hose as we talked before. Who needs the AutoMixer, right? So if you're starting your new spraying operation or just bought a new ag trailer, you don't know what you're gonna put in it, right? But you don't know what to put in it, you need to spray, you need your products in there. You can just take it at this whole station. It just solves your problem for you. You can have the tanks, you just put the products in, and now you can fill up your drone. You don't have to think about plumbing, you don't have to think about all of that, and you can keep track of what you're doing without having to have anything where you're riding on or whatever. Will keep that for you. If you're already a farmer and you have operations, you're doing hot batching, and maybe you're losing some product here and there, you're batching more than you need sometimes, or it starts raining and you have the 200-gallon tote of mixed batch product, right? And you lose that, and maybe you have some separation because you have to go back to the farm. It was raining, you come back the next day. Now you can keep this small volume of 30 gallons mixed at any time, so you'll never lose that much or have that much problem at all. You can stop the operation, so it makes it easier to save product and streamlines your operation. So you can be a farmer, you can be somebody that's just starting as a spraying business. This will help you out, get started, and just work. So that's for you. If you're doing spraying operations with agricultural drones, the AutoMixer will help you out. How can you get this, and what do you need to operate it, right? So besides the mixing station and the AutoMixer here, which you could operate the AutoMixer alone as well. It can run outside of the mixing station. It just makes it easier to get it and run it right there. But it can pump from any product container or any tote or any container in general. All you'll need besides the setup is actually a generator or a power source. That could be, you could plug it to the wall as well. It can be 110, 120, it can be 240, 220. It'll work with any of those voltages. And you need a water source, such as a water tote, a 200-gallon water tote, for example. Things that you would already have if you're doing spraying operations. That's all you need separate from this, a water supply and a power source. How can you get this? You get this in 3 different ways. You can get this whole setup, which is the AutoMixer and the mixing station, all plumbed, ready for work. So field ready AutoMixer and mixing station. That's one of the options you can buy. The other option is the AutoMixer alone. And the other option is the mixing station and AutoMixer, but do your own plumbing version, DYOP. So it comes with all the tanks assembled, all the structure there, but the plumbing is not done. And then you only have to plumb it at home. So you just will connect and all of that. You get all the connections, all the components. You just connect it to yourself. Where do you buy it? Where can you buy it? You can look at the link in the description, and there you can find more information on where to buy it, pricing, and the different options we have available right now, including other components. All right, so we have taken a look today at the new mixing station, the AutoMixer V4, an improved version, right? That pumps better, helps you streamline your operations. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much for watching.